This is a preparatory time for the Odyssean Journey and important decisions to be made what goes in my camera bag. This is not specifically for this journey. My camera bag, packing the camera bag has been an integral part of every trip. So here we go. What is in it? Let's take a dive. So the bag itself is a low pro and the model is Pro Runner BP 450 AW2. Fantastic backpack. Right, so let's see what is in. Right. Okay. My go-to camera and the lens. This is Nikon Z6. And the lens is 24-120 f4. A really reliable and versatile camera and lens. Doesn't really get into the camera bag hardly ever. This is something that I always have on my shoulder or on my hands. On it there is a Hoya 77mm UV filter, which again is a fantastic glass protector that never leaves the lens. The next is my good old friend Nikon D750, and it has got 70mm to 200mm 2.8. Brilliant piece of glass. Downside is it's quite heavy. Don't really mind this time because I don't think I'll be carrying it on my shoulders much. It is just going to be in the bag and I'll take out, shoot and then put it back. And that's the reason you see there's no lens cap on here, because I don't want to miss the shot by fiddling around with the lens caps at the crucial time. Also has got a Hoya 77mm UV filter on it. That's my second body. Brilliant wide angle lens, light and small. It is Nikon 14-30mm with an 82mm filter thread size, so it's a wider aperture there. Very handy landscape lens, and the advantage is it's so light and so compact that it fits easily in the bag. The next beauty that I carry always with me is a 20mm Nikon 1.8. It's obviously not a Z lens like the other one. This one is for my D750. Brilliant piece of glass. Okay, so that's that. I will show you another very handy piece of kit, which is Platypod Extreme. I have to demonstrate how it works. So this is in situations where we are not allowed to carry even the lightest tripod. This one is Manfrotto, by the way, 055 Pro carbon fiber tripod. But there are situations when we are not allowed to tripod even. Situations like that, this comes handy. So this one, you can literally just pull the legs out and put your ball head in. By the way, the ball head is also Manfrotto 498 RC2. And it will then just hold the camera at the most difficult angles from a very low height, and it's ready wherever I am. Brilliant. Okay. What else have I got in my bag? I have got a FTZ converter that converts the non-Z lenses into the Z format so that I can use them on my Z6. Very useful, handy piece of kit. I've got a Nikon teleconverter TC2, which essentially is my cheating so that I don't have to carry any massive lenses which are heavy. I'll happily put this at the end of my 70-100 2.8, and this becomes a 400mm lens at that time. Downside is obviously the f-stop also doubles, so from 2.8 it becomes 5.6. Nonetheless, very handy. I've got a blur brush, brilliant, handy savior. It's Gyotso. Then I have got my case filters. This is so useful. I do not live without these. That's the filter holder, magnetic, and I have got two NDs, ND Grad, which is a graduated ND, and you can see there it's really good piece of glass, it's not plastic, and this one is 0.9 and this one is 0.6. Pretty much between the two they do the job. What else have I got? I have got another handy light there, which is VI Gym. It is, you can adjust the color temperature, and this has got a hot shoe mount. Very handy little piece of gadget if you're trying to shoot in low light. The fitting rim for the big lens that goes on the tripod ball head, and some spare batteries, and some charging cables. And this is my good old friend, which is not a very new one, which is Nikon SB800 flash that goes beautifully with my D750. Time to upgrade, but I can't say no to this one yet. That's pretty much it really in my camera bag. Any questions? Give me a shout.